Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To transfer USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance, follow these steps. First, log into Binance. Open your Binance account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it and complete any necessary verification. Next, get your Binance USDT deposit address. Go to the Wallet section and select Fiat and Spot. Find USDT in the list or use the search bar. Click on Deposit next to USDT. Choose the appropriate network, like ERC20 or TRC20 that matches the network your USDT is currently on in your SafePal wallet. Copy the deposit address provided. Now open your SafePal wallet. Access your SafePal wallet where your USDT is stored. Initiate the transfer. Select USDT from your SafePal wallet. Choose the option to send or transfer. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Confirm the transaction. Review the details to ensure everything is correct, especially the address and the amount. Confirm the transaction. Check the transaction. After you initiate the transfer, you can check the transaction status on the Blockchain Explorer relevant to the network you used. Verify receipt on Binance. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, check your Binance wallet to see if the USDT has arrived. Make sure to double-check all addresses and transaction details to avoid any loss of funds. Thanks for watching the whole video. If you like this information, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share it. All this information has been compiled through DeepSeek.